With AI tools rapidly reshaping industries, Saint Lucian professionals and entrepreneurs had the chance to sharpen their skills this past weekend. On Saturday, June 21st, 2025, Work Digital Media hosted its highly anticipated AI Next Level Mastery course, a dynamic blended learning experience that brought together 52 participants both in person and online. Led by Wamil Kendall, Managing Director of Work Digital Media, the course offered hands-on training with some of today's most powerful AI tools, not requiring participants to have coding or web development experience. According to Kendall, the goal was simple yet ambitious: to empower professionals and entrepreneurs to embrace AI rather than fear it, and to utilize it as a force for growth and innovation.
The idea behind the course is primarily to just allow persons to showcase or access AI tools, free AI tools that can actually work to make their life a little easier.
Participants immersed themselves in 4 major modules: AI fundamentals and prompt engineering, business and marketing with AI, web development using AI tools, and automation and optimization using AI platforms. The clear highlight for participants was seeing their business ideas come alive, developing functional mobile responsive websites and web applications using AI tools, a powerful, tangible outcome that sparked excitement and motivation.
A lot of persons use what we call right now ChatGPT. So persons will be able to use ChatGPT a little more efficient, because they'll be able to provide stronger prompts so that they'll be able to get more out of their prompt and get more out of what they're trying to accomplish. Additionally, at the end of the day, we provide a certificate to each participant based on what they would have completed, and there are quite a few tasks and a full website that persons are required to complete at the end of the program. So we will provide a certificate based on the persons who would have completed those tasks.
Feedback from participants was overwhelmingly positive. Many expressed a newfound confidence and a vision to turn their skills into real income, helping others adopt AI tools and transform how they work.
Well, the course this far, I must say it's very informative. I personally use AI as well to enhance what I do at work, and basically it's just an advancement for myself, and that's what I'm looking to gain and make sure that I'll utilize everything that he is teaching us so far to integrate not only into my personal life, my work life, but also into, because I also study as well, so into that as well. So that's one of the reasons when I saw the AI course, it kind of intrigued me.
My business is an online business, so I felt the need to become competitive in that space, because online can be very competitive. So I figured everybody's using AI, I need to join the trend. So when I saw this event, I'm like, yeah, I have to come. It is very detailed, especially in terms of actually how to use AI to get what you actually need out of it. Yeah, it actually makes me now be more specific and more detailed. So I'm excited to try it when I leave here.
The course, as has been alluded, AI is everywhere. Everything is AI and AI is everything, but it can seem somewhat significant, not even somewhat, significantly overwhelming, especially from someone who doesn't come from a tech background such as myself. As you can hear, I'm based in natural sciences, so everything with technology, and I didn't want to get left behind. I wanted to learn, and you keep seeing more and more how they're using AI in medicine, particularly for me. So I wanted to kind of learn. I hope this course would help me to feel more comfortable interacting with AI, and thus be able to use it to, make my work, the work that I do with my patients, both publicly and privately, to help it be more efficient, more streamlined, and also, still with maintaining the ethical standards that I hold myself at for, when we talk about patient management and patient interaction.
The course culminated with a graduation ceremony where each attendee received a certificate, not just a piece of paper, but a symbol of their commitment to growth, learning, and innovation. Several participants were also sponsored through the Youth Economy Agency, making this opportunity accessible to emerging entrepreneurs.
I want to thank the youth economy because many of the participants that came today, they were able to benefit from this program based on the support that we got from the youth economy. So I want to say a special thanks to them.
This is the second course in a growing series by Work Digital Media, with more AI programs on the horizon as the organization sets its sights on equipping both local and regional talent to thrive in this rapidly changing world. With AI transforming the way humans live and work, initiatives like these ensure the Caribbean isn't left behind, but instead stands ready to lead.